Hello everyone, you are watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. Today we can discuss the multiplication table, how to display multiplication table using Python. So first, I will create the Python file, multiply. I will write multiply just .py Python, click finish. This is one. Now num equal to int of input. Enter the number. Right, enter the number. Now I will write for loop for I in range 1 comma 11 colon. Here I will write print num. I need to display first num, double quotations, x comma again comma I comma again equal to. When equal to, I will use some space for looking for us. Now num into I value. To I value. Now we can check this one. What is the output of this one? Right click, run as number. I need to give number 12. So it was is displaying. This is a multiplication table. Suppose I will run again. I will give some another. I will give 5. Sorry, 6. I will use 6. Sixth table. Sixth table is display. Suppose I will give. We can test one more final test. 9. I will give 9. Ninth table is displaying. This is a multiplication table. This is a Python program of multiplication table. In Java also is available multiplication table. You can check in our YouTube channel. Hi friends, could you please subscribe and support me my channel? My channel main focusing introduce. That means so many people's completed BTech, MTech, MCA, BScs. That guys are searching for the software engineer jobs, particularly Java, Python, this type of technologies. All are facing so many logical questions. That questions I will provide you. Could you please support me? I will give more information to you. Thank you for watching Jaladhi Soft Technology YouTube channel. We will meet next video.